Hello, this is Carlos with CP Marine and the Small Boat Repair channel. Hey my people, so this is the second part of the soft floor repair video that I'm doing for you guys. This is a 1995 Century 17. Once you take everything from the deck, like the center console, seats, cables, or rod holder, the best way to do this is cut it into sections. Make sure you have a big pry bar or a pipe, because sometimes they can be very attached to the stringers. After cutting all the floor, it's always good to vacuum and inspect for broken wires, cables, or anything suspicious that is out of place. Now that I got everything cleaned out, it's time for me to check that fuel tank, take it off, and see what's going on with it. I hope you guys like this video and stay tuned for more videos coming to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much.